Sealock is the brand of Shenzhen Luke Technology Industries Company Limited. It was established in 2001. Dongguan Yifu Long Outdoor Gear Company Limited is our internal factory. We focus on the research and development, production and sales of outdoor waterproof bags, waterproof thermal insulation bags, golf bags, waterproof military bags, and outdoor waterproof equipment. Luke Associate Factory is located in Dongguan, China. The factory covers an area of 7,423 square meters. The production line has two large gantry 4-column high-frequency voltage machines, 10 single-head automatic double-slide table voltage machines, and 75 small double-head standard voltage machines, 20 automatic computer sewing machine, 20 high-head sewing machine, 30 flat sewing machine, and more than 30 sets of hot press, glue sticking machine, button attaching machine, cutting equipment. The factory has more than 147 workers, 12 people in the development department, and more than 30 management and technical personnel. Our company has a number of waterproof products patents and passed ISO 90001, BSCI, SGS. The main advantages of our company are 1. Self-supporting TPU composite fabric factory. 2. We can cooperate with customers to develop products at the most competitive cost. 3. We have an experienced and rapid development team who provide timely and accurate delivery dates. 4. We have a mature standby production line that can be utilized anytime when normal production reaches capacity.